All right, let's make our carrot ginger cocktail for today. Gonna put some ice in my shaker, 1 1/4 ounces of vodka, ginger liqueur here, and I've got 3/4 ounce of that. So 3/4 ounce of our carrot juice. Same thing with our lemon juice, 3/4 ounce of that. 5 drops of our salt solution. So I'm just gonna strain this right into our glass. And that is just an incredible. Pop that right in. Ooh, really great cocktail. Perfect for the fall. Actually, I'd have that year round. So never mind, not just a fall cocktail, I'll drink that year round.